Now, another arrest in the Bulibai hate app case. 25-year-old Omkeshwar Thakur has now been arrested by the Delhi Special Cell from Indore. He's created the Suli deals in July last year. During preliminary investigation and interrogation, he's now admitted that the idea was to defame and troll Muslim women. He had developed the code on GitHub. In fact, the access of GitHub was with all the members of the group. Photos of Muslim women were uploaded by the group members, and lewd comments were passed, with many of those pictures being auctioned off as well. Meanwhile, more sensational details have emerged in the case. The accused, Neeraj Bishnoi, who has been arrested by the Delhi police, is a habitual hacker who has on multiple occasions defaced websites, including several sites of schools and universities as well in India as well as in Pakistan. The accused also revealed that he was in touch with the creator of the Suli Deals app. Sources have also told India Today that the accused has threatened the police of suicide and also tried to harm himself twice when the arrest and interrogation was been carried out. Following the threats, the police was forced to conduct a medical examination, and he is currently stable.
Joining with me right now is DCP IPSO unit KPS Malhotra. Sir, can you just give us a detail about the arrest that has been made in the Suli deal case, and how was this person tracked down?
During the investigation of the Bulibai case, we arrested Neeraj Bishnoi, and during his investigation and interrogation, along with the digital forensic examination of his gadgets, we found that he was even active in the month of July when the so-called Suli deal episode took place. So, trailing that and further probing into that matter, we found that there was one entity which shared the Suli Deals app in their group. So, we tracked that entity, the digital entity, and it was uncovered as Omkeshwar Thakur, and he has been arrested from Indore.
So, this person was in a part of a Twitter group, and we believe that Neeraj was also a part of the same group. Has any action been taken against this group? Has it been blocked? And what about the other Twitter accounts who are also part of this group?
Once this fiasco took place and it created a lot of hue and cry, the cases were registered. So they basically dismantled their social media groups. As of now, those groups are not existing. But in the archives, in their in their digital gadgets, there is forensic evidence of those groups, and accordingly they have been arrested in this case.
So the investigation in the Suli deal case, you guys were also expediting the MLAT to get information from GitHub. So far, the investigation in the Suli deals, has any information been shared from GitHub?
No, so far we have not received any information from GitHub. The MLAT was through from our side, and it was to reach Department of Justice through Interpol. We were in the process of doing so, but we got a major breakthrough due to the investigation in the Bulibai case, and the digital footprinting our team undertook.